Hi, my name's Carla Snyder, and today we're going to explore how to get a delicious meal on the table in no time flat, utilizing Heinen's Meal in a Flash chart. Today we're featuring a Spanish torta with a chorizo gravy. This is an amazingly delicious dish straight from the heart of Spain. We're gonna pop it in the oven and heat it up for about 10 minutes at about 400 degrees. Partner up with the torta, we're going to add a couple of little sauteed sea scallops to the pan just to warm them up. They don't take as long to heat up as the torta does, so we're just going to pop it in for another 5 minutes. Now that everything's nice and hot, all we've got to do is put it on plates and dig in. These little scallops look beautiful on a little bed of microgreens. And the torta is great all by itself, right on the other side. If you want to bump up the flavor and get a little more spice going in this meal, the chipotle orange seasoning that Heinen's makes is amazing. And you just want to give it a light sprinkle, and it really pumps up the flavor. And remember, with a little help from Heinen's, home is where delicious happens.